Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a kick-ass day. Ever since we moved into this house 3 years ago, we knew that we would have to replace the doors. I mean, the basic screen door, it's old, needs to go. And then the interior door itself is like a, I don't know, it's like a hollow core of something, but it's definitely not the best, not the most energy efficient. And I've had the door for a little while now in the garage. I've also got a door for the back yard. We'll start on the front first. I've never done this before. This is not a how-to channel. This is just me doing stuff, so welcome. Let's get to work. Alright, so I'm gonna take the old screen door off first, so I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so that's out. That's just gonna go to the dump. Neighbors out there trying to dominate. Out there with the spreader, I can smell what they're spraying. It's pretty windy today, so I'm sure it's just some 2,4-D or something on there. Get rid of all the dandelions that are there. Be a tight squeeze, I think.
Here's the ball. John, instructor, or Justin.
This weather is go at this time.
Yeah, but if I make it,
Weather's go at this time.
I'm done.
Sounds like.
We did hear a call to the crew just in case you missed it.
Well, it's in. It took me a while. And it was a pretty tight squeeze. And, you know, I'm not a carpenter. This is not my forte. But it's in. Just have to do, you know, put some insulation around and then caulk the outside. Kind of fix up the bottom on the inside and the outside, caulk and whatnot. So, and then I gotta get a new doorbell. The other one was just old and Yankee and janky, crappy, whatever. But no, this is gonna be way better now, especially in these Wisconsin winters, because that other one, there was always a draft coming in from underneath and around the whole thing. So this is gonna be way better. Pretty impressed with myself. Now I just gotta get the screen door on and, you know, make it look pretty. And then we're also gonna paint it. Guess what color it's gonna be? Leave a comment down below. Alright, so we got the front door done. It took a while yesterday. Like I said, I'm not a carpenter, but we got it in. Just have to do the you know, caulking and touch-ups and finishing, all that fun jazz. But hey, it's in, and we're good to go. Now we get to work on the backyard, back door. That's what she said. Here we are in the backyard now with the back door. You can see, I mean, this thing is just garbage. It's falling apart. All the inside got wet. So clearly it needs to be replaced. And like I said, with the inside door, it's just a hollow core door, and it's definitely not an exterior door. So 1970s, stay there. It's time to upgrade. So we got to remove this screen door first. That's what I'll be working on now. All right, screen door's out. I already took off the door from the inside, and now I'll work on taking this bad boy out. That was cool. Just like the front door, this one's taking a while. I can now, I mean, I always knew it before, but you know, everyone's watching Connor build his she shed and wondering when he's going to be done with it, things like that. But man, when you're doing work all by yourself, it takes a little bit longer. Now I'll clean up a little bit. I'll see how it fits in there now, and then I'll get ready to slide her in. All right, so I guess this is turning more like a vlog style video. Like I said, I'm not a carpenter. I don't do this stuff for a living. I'm just a DIY guy who likes saving some money. Maybe next time I'll save up to have someone do it. It wasn't too bad. Like I said, I got the front one in yesterday and the screen door, but today I only got this one in, you know, Sunday. Getting ready to go eat some dinner. I already just took a shower. Had to get all that man glitter out of my hair. You know, sawdust. I think I got it all. But yeah, it's definitely a lot better. So gotta get that screen door on pretty soon, but love having the window back here now. I can see out better, and it also lets in more light, so it's pretty cool. So that's the update. We'll see what the next update is. And like, you know, most DIY projects, one job turns into another, because then you end up having things like this. So I couldn't go any higher with being up here, so it just was too tight going against there on the carpet. So we just pulled up the carpet for now. We'll have to figure out something in this room. We didn't replace the carpet when we first moved in, so it might be time to do that sooner than later. This is what we're having for dinner. Some French dip action.